One of the greatest things about buying a newly constructed home is flex rooms. So many builders are now including these versatile spaces in new homes to make your living experience truly tailored to your lifestyle. Building a new home means your living space aligns with your life, not the other way around. Traditional homes often come with rigid floor plans, imposing rooms designed for a single purpose. New homes break free from this constraint, offering layouts with plenty of flexible spaces that let you embrace your best life. NewHomeSource is your go-to resource for new construction homes. We've got the insights to help you maximize flex spaces, making buying new the best decision you'll ever make. So, how do you use a flex room? Here are some ideas we've seen. The first thought is usually a home office. You can even step it up a notch with built-in shelves or a desk to really maximize your productivity. But that's just the start. Skip the gym membership and create your ideal workout space with a custom home gym. Unleash your creativity in the perfect craft room. From sewing to painting and crafts, having a dedicated space in your home can make a huge difference. Of course, adding a guest room is a great way to make your friends and extended family feel welcome, but transforming it into a cozy getaway makes it the guest room nobody will want to leave. What about dedicating a space to your pets? You can create a pet-friendly haven with the ultimate features, decor, and even pet suites. When the kids are little, you never seem to have enough space. Letting them spread out in a family-friendly space dedicated just to them will keep them engaged during this crucial stage of life. Dive into the ultimate video game room and create an awesome media center. The beauty in flex rooms lies in their adaptability. Your home, your rules. You can even change your flex space to accommodate different stages of your family's life. So, what features do you dream of creating in your flex room? Let us know in the comments below. For more information on flex spaces, be sure to check out NewHomeSource.com.